Discover an experience like no other at Joe Machens Collision Centers. You can rest easy knowing your vehicle is in expert hands at the area's only iCar Gold certified collision center. We work closely with most insurance providers, keep our costs affordable, and maintain OEM certifications to ensure top quality repairs on many makes and models. Here's what you can expect. No appointments necessary. Bring your vehicle to either Joe Machens Collision Center locations during normal business hours, and one of our representatives will give you an estimate. Comprehensive estimates. When you arrive, we'll go over the damage, create a detailed repair plan with cost breakdowns and a schedule. Keep in mind, collision damage sometimes involves issues that aren't immediately visible. That's why our initial estimate is thorough, but may be updated as repairs progress. If we find any additional damage, we'll contact you immediately to discuss the details. The process. Once a repair is scheduled and the parts ordered, our team will keep you updated on the progress and report any changes. Quick, convenient checkout. We'll notify you when the repairs are complete. Payments can be made in person, online, or over the phone. Financing options are also available. Satisfaction check. A representative will follow up to ensure you're completely satisfied with your repair and that your experience was 5 stars. Schedule your collision repair today and experience the difference at Joe Machens Collision Centers.